Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to go somewhere we haven't been before and have a look at the two apartment blocks that we're going to knock down. And it's too expensive to do it. I think there's people back in there now. So Mark's the pan round with the camera now and show you where we're going.
Guys, the two apartment blocks in the distance overlooking the sea, that's where we're gonna try to get to.
So guys, come along with us and we'll see if we can get round the back there and have a look. Never been down there before, so there's going to be something new to do. Okay, come along with us. Just coming off the beach now. I'll walk down along here now to see if we can get round there. We think we know the way to do it, but we'll find out in a couple of minutes. Go down the side of the hotels there. And that's the way in. Go and have a look. Okay guys, this is the way we go down, I think. Mark's saying it isn't. Mark's saying it's up these steps up here.
I really don't know.
Right, we're going to have a look up these steps first, so Marcus.
Oh yeah.
So we'll go up and have a look, and we've got plenty of film, so we said that once or twice we were going to do this and see if we can get in round the back here. So we'll walk down, see what the views are like from by the apartments. So as you can see, we've got a few steps to go up. So we'll get a bit out of puff. I don't know if you're right here, Marcus.
No, I don't think I am. I just see such a Dutch street, don't I?
I think we may come the wrong way here.
Well, I think you're right.
That's not the way in. Just brought us out of the top road. Okay guys, that wasn't the way. So we're going further down now, have a look, see if we can get around there. We really went then.
Don't fall. Gets you down.
We've seen some steps that go up somewhere down here. So we're just going to have a look. Here we go. I think these are the steps we've seen, Marcus. Up here. No, they're up by the lock gate. We'll walk around now. Boys, I think we might be a dead end here.
I think there is a way to get further.
Do you reckon we'll carry on then, Marcus? Watch your feet now. Okay guys, I'm going to pull the camera off for a minute. Pause it. Okay guys, we're going to see if these are the steps up. Looks like somebody's put some steps in here. I've got an idea these buildings might be on the top road there. We'll have a look anyway. Okay guys, another dead end I think. Right, obviously private property up there. Ah, no way through. Okay. Okay guys, what we have found is I don't think there's any way up this way to getting up by the buildings. So we're going to have to go back, go around the roadway, go up and see if we can find them from there. Okay, I'm going to cut the film here in a minute and then put where we find them on the end. That makes any sense? Okay guys, we found the buildings we're looking for. We thought we'd be able to get there off the beach. Obviously you can't. Turn the camera around now and show you the buildings where they're at. Okay guys, there's the buildings there. It looks like they've been done up now. I think they got quoted something like 4 or 5 billion, was it? Or million? Can't remember now.
Million, I think.
Take them down. I don't really know what they'd have done with the space. One's got a lovely bar up here, and have a drink if you ever get up this way. Where we are is, as you come off the beach in the corner, you go up the cross maybe. We're up in the first corner, just up the hill a bit. Hope you can see alright because the sun's pretty bright, pretty low at the moment, obviously being winter. I can't really see a lot. I'll take you up and show you the bar anyway. I don't know whether the bar's open or not. Some fantastic views up here though. Especially when things are going on down below. The ski line thing. And the, you call them bike things, Marcus?
Jet skis.
Jet skis, that's it. Great spending an hour up here watching them. A couple of drinks at the bar up here. That's a lovely afternoon. Or a couple of hours at least. But it looks like it's shut up at the moment. That's it, shut up. Just move, walk past them a bit. Last time I came up they hadn't got cover on there, so just hoping you can sit out there. They're the kind of views you get from the bar there. See all over Benidorm. I don't think this fencing was up here last time we were up here, was it, Marcus?
No, I think it was.
Was it? Oh, maybe. Looks like it's been here a while. See if we can get that ski thing down there. Not seeing much at the moment. Hopefully you see the skiing line, or ski line. Down there. I think I've got it. And then you're up to Benidorm itself. With a view along the coastline. There we go. Okay guys, I'm going to end the video here. Subscribe as normal, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.